Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure notifications using the flood leak sensor. To begin, we open the mobile application, where all connected sensors are listed. From the main menu, we navigate to Settings and then to the Alerts section. At this stage, no alerts are configured yet. We start by creating an alert for the flood leak sensor. After clicking on Add, we are naming the alert. Select the appropriate role, in this case Academy, and assign a name to the notification, such as Kitchen. There are multiple ways to receive notifications, but in this case we choose the option to receive a phone call. This means that when the alert is triggered, the notification will arrive in the form of a phone call. Once we define the type of alert, we submit the configuration. The next step is to define when this alert should be triggered. We open the alert settings, select the Automation tab, and add new automation using an existing I/O source. We choose the flood sensor as the trigger and specify that the notification should be sent when a water leak is detected. Once that is saved, the setup is complete. To test the setup, we simulate a leak using the flood sensor. Immediately, the event is registered both on the display and as an incoming call on the mobile device, confirming that the automation and notification logic work correctly. And with that, your notification system for the flood sensor is now fully functional. And that's it. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.